Hi guys. So I wanted to formally introduce myself and talk about कि ये चैनल जो है जो हमारा YouTube चैनल है वो किस किस को कैसे कैसे cater कर सकता है. You see econ जो है that occurs at variety of stages. अगर आप बेटा स्कूल में हो then econ for you means either IB econ HL or if you're a CBSE kid then you might be prepping for AP micro or AP macro in terms of econ. If you're pursuing any paper in economics, it could be a major in economics, it could be a minor in economics, it could be minor in something else with one paper of econ, then this entire channel is relevant for you. The difference could be that आपके पास जो book है वो कोई और है, यहाँ पे कोई और book use हुई हुई है. The depth that you need to learn, all of those things could be different, but the idea is that essentially आपका syllabus जो है वो more or less same रहता है. Micro is micro. I've divided micro in three parts because traditionally जो मैंने base लिया है वो मैंने DU Eco Honors का लिया है. और DU Eco Honors के अंदर जो हमारा micro है वो three parts में divided होता है. There's an introductory micro which is same as IB Econ HL or AP micro. Then you have intermediate micro 1, and then it converts to intermediate micro 2, and these are your economics honors courses across the globe follow the same pattern. तो आपको लगता है आपको किसी टॉपिक में कंफ्यूजन है कुछ और है, you can easily come and refer to this. You will also find a playlist of micro separately जिसके अंदर the lectures have been named as per the topic which is covered in that, so it's easier for you to refer. लेकिन अगर आप ट्रेडिशनल डीयू किड हो तो उसके लिए तो इको ऑनर्स की हमारी प्लेलिस्ट है. सो यू विल सी सेम 1 माइक्रो 1, सेम 3 माइक्रो, सेम 3 माइक्रो, सेम 3 macro, and so on and so forth. So the traditional playlists have been named as per DU economics honors, as per the semester, as per the paper, everything. And these papers then have been taken out separately जिसके अंदर हमने टॉपिक नेम किया हुआ है, and you can come back and easily refer to a topic. आपको लगता है आपको इसके बियॉन्ड कोई हेल्प चाहिए, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दी सेक्शंस आर फिटिंग इनटू ईच अदर. आपका IB econ HL है बट यू वांट सम एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प इन वन और टू टॉपिक्स. Similarly for AP macro, micro, anything, you can always reach back to us. My number is right here. WhatsApp me. Do not call, please. Just WhatsApp, and we'll be able to figure out some synergies together. I'll be able to help you with additional notes, additional resources, additional questions, and stuff like that. So for anything that you don't see on the channel or anything that you do see on the channel, but you want a deep dive of, or you want to see how the syllabus is laid out for you individually, and you want to see how it fits into the playlist that we've created for any of those things, just contact us and we will help you figure it out. All right. Now you can just start scrolling the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and do comment on what you liked about each video. Thank you.